Hey everybody, we were out looking around and look what we found out for the trash. We found a Craftsman lawnmower. All it says is Craftsman. It doesn't say any type of maker model on it, and it's a 2006. We don't know anything about it, but we got that to look at. We have picked up a girl's awesome giant bike. The tires still have air in them and the tires look really good. You can see how rusted the chain is because it's been sitting outside. This bike here looks pretty good. Let's see. Yep, the brakes are working on that. The brakes are working there. So we have that we need to look at. That should be probably pretty straightforward. Probably just lube the chain up and make sure all the gears work and clean it. And then we also have a Schwinn Jaguar cruiser bike. It looks like it is a 5 or 6 speed. Now this one here has definitely been sitting out in the rain. The chain is very stuck. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me rephrase that. Is a 7 speed. There's no other gear up here, so it's only a 7 speed. It looks like if we clean this one up, it will look really good. The brakes are stuck on it. The tires are actually they're low on air, but they have air. So there is a couple of things, well, more than a couple. We have 3 things that we found out for the trash that we'll be making videos soon on. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Please give me a thumbs down if you don't like what I'm doing. And please like and share.